अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्या हाल है। आज हमने पढ़ना है करिकुलम। व्हाट इज करिकुलम? करिकुलम क्या है? Curriculum in simple words is set of subject, a program of subject, a set of material, a sequence of courses, a set of performance objectives, a course of study, content, explain the series of experiences by the learners in the school. Individual explain his/her experiences as the result of schools. करिकुलम डेफिनेशन। इससे पहले हमने पढ़ा था कि करिकुलम को हमने सिंपल अल्फाज में क्या कहते हैं, किन चीज़ों का मजमुआ है। तो अब हम देखेंगे कि करिकुलम की डेफिनेशन क्या है। जी, इससे पहले हमने देखा था कि करिकुलम है क्या, सिंपल अल्फाज में उसको क्या कहते हैं। तो ये मैंने मुख्तलिफ 8-10 चीज़ें बताई थी जिनको हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे बिल्कुल सिंपल वर्ड्स में। अब हम ये देखेंगे कि करिकुलम की डेफिनेशन क्या है। तो आप देखिए मेरे साथ कि करिकुलम इज़ द गोल्स, असेसमेंट, मेथड्स एंड मटीरियल्स यूज टू टीच a particular skills or subjects. Curriculum is the outline of concepts to be taught to students to help them meet the content standards. Curriculum is what is taught in a given courses or subject. Or a curriculum is the combination of instructional practices, learning experiences, and student performance assessment that are designed to bring out and evaluate the target learning outcomes of a particular course. Or a detailed plan for instruction set by policy makers. Curriculum is a group of courses offered in a particular field of study. ये मैंने आपको मुख्तलिफ किस्म के 4 करिकुलम के हवाले से डेफिनेशन बताई हैं जो बहुत ही इजी हैं आप लोगों के लिए। जी, अब हम देखेंगे कि करिकुलम की कितनी टाइप्स हैं। वैसे तो बहुत सारी टाइप्स हैं, लेकिन जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे वो ये हैं। देयर आर मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ करिकुलम डिज़ाइन, बट हेयर वी विल डिस्कस द करिकुलम विच यूज्ड इन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस। नंबर 1, टीचर सेंटर्ड करिकुलम, लर्नर सेंटर्ड करिकुलम, एक्टिविटी एक्सपीरियंस करिकुलम, इंटीग्रेटेड करिकुलम, broad field curriculum. First of all, we discuss teacher-centered curriculum. In teacher-centered curriculum, design the teacher is center of interest. The type of curriculum emphasizes the involvement of teacher in curriculum development. Teachers play an important role in the development of the students. Student practices in a number of activities at classroom level. Teachers should take interest in any combination of curriculum development, discussion making role at school level. Following are the role of teachers in curriculum development. First, implementers of development curriculum. Number 2, adopters. Number 3, developers. Number 4, researchers. Number 5, implementers. In this role, the teacher has minimum of responsibilities and involvement in curriculum development phase of the curriculum process through has a significant role in the application phase of the process. Adopters. As an adopter, the role of the teacher is just the same an implementer. This is somewhat conceptual terms which indicators that the teachers become ready to accept the curriculum in order to implement it. Developers. As an developer, the teacher role is to take part in the curriculum development process. In Pakistan, some respective teachers are being invited to attend the various meetings held by the higher authorities in order to make contributions in curriculum development or curriculum evaluation process. Researcher. Curriculum is a dynamic process keeping in view the characteristic there is need to conduct research in order to bring about desired change been in the curriculum. Teachers in the most countries are taking part in various types of researchers in curriculum development process. Learn-based curriculum. The supporters of learner-centered curriculum give importance to individual development and they want to organize the curriculum according to the needs and interests of learners. There are fundamental differences in this approach and the subject-centered design. This movement from the traditional curriculum towards the program that stress the interest and needs of students. This approach was used by Russia in the education of Emil Due in his laboratory school in 1896 to 904. It is believed that all of these 20th century efforts reflect influence of Dewey. It is fundamental principles of education that the beginning of each instruction it shall be connected with the previous experiences of learners. The purpose is that the experience and the capacities that have been developed in early lesson. It should provide a starting point for further learning. The current importance given to the student-centered program may not always incorporate more students serving learning opportunities to the curriculum. The core curriculum is a set of common courses required of all undergraduates and considered the necessary general education for students, irrespective of their choice in major. Integrated curriculum. In its simplest conception, it is about making connections. What kind of connection? Across discipline to real life? Are the connections skill based or knowledge based? Correlation may be as casual attention to related materials in other subject areas, a bit more intense when teacher planned it took to make the materials of one subject interpret 4 problems or topics of another. integration, the unification of all subjects and experiences. Integrated curriculum. In its simplest conception, it is about making connections. What kind of connection? Across discipline to real life. Are the connections skill based or knowledge based? Correlation may be as slight as usual attention to related materials as casual attention to related materials in other subject areas. A bit more intense when teacher planned it to make the materials of one subject interpret 4 problems or topics of another. Integration, the unification of all subjects and experiences.